Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Biology Objective Past Question 16. The part of the mammalian kidney that stores urine is the A. Capsule, B. Medulla, C. Pelvis, D. Bladder. So, looking at these various structures given by the options, 3 of them are components of the kidney and 1 of them isn't. And we're asked for the part that stores urine. Now, the capsule, as it relates to the kidney, the renal capsule, is a hard covering, a thin, hard covering that surrounds the kidney. Now, the medulla is the inner part of the kidney, and then the pelvis or the renal pelvis is where the ureter joins to the medulla. Now, these 3 parts which are contained in the kidney are not known for storage of urine. In fact, no part of the kidney is known for storage of urine. Urine is stored in mammals in the bladder, and the bladder is not part of the urine, but rather the bladder is not part of the kidney, but rather urine is carried out from the kidney via the ureter to the bladder, and the bladder is where urine is stored. So urine is stored in the bladder. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.